In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync emails to HubSpot in just 5 minutes. This process is pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it, and it will help streamline the way you manage customer relationships right from your inbox. Let's dive in. To start with, open up your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. If you're not familiar, HubSpot is a powerful tool that offers a suite of solutions to help your business grow. Once you find yourself on the homepage, the next step is to look for the Login button. It should be prominently displayed, usually in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're on the login page, enter your credentials. If you don't have a HubSpot account yet, you'll need to sign up for one to proceed. For today's purpose, let's assume you already have an account. After entering your information, hit that login button and it will take you to the HubSpot home screen. Once you're on the HubSpot home screen, find the settings icon. This is where you'll find a myriad of options related to customizing and managing your HubSpot account. So click on settings to advance to the next stage. After entering the settings menu, you'll need to locate the email section. This can usually be found in a list of different settings categories. Clicking on this will bring up various email settings and preferences available for configuration. Now comes an important step, connecting your personal email account to HubSpot, which will allow HubSpot to track and log your communications. Look for an option that says Connect Personal Email and click on it. HubSpot will walk you through the steps necessary to link your email to its platform. Depending on the type of email you use, HubSpot might ask for specific details or permissions. These might include things like email service provider, email address, and sometimes even your email login credentials. Make sure you're ready to input these when prompted. Once completed, HubSpot will sync your emails to your account, log your email interactions, and allow you to monitor important communication history directly through its interface. And just like that, you've linked your email to HubSpot. With this setup, you'll save time and locate crucial customer interactions with ease, making your HubSpot CRM even more powerful. This concludes our guide on syncing emails with HubSpot. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.